Okay, so this is a section that I use to actually kind of guesstimate how much profit I'm gonna get, how much I gotta pay my driver when I'm estimating out contracts that I'm getting or any kind of agreement that I'm going to do with somebody. So you can actually go in and put, let's say the estimate was, 5,000 for the week. You could put in whatever you think your mileage is going to be, or you should know it, but I'm just making up stuff from the top of my head so you can kind of see what it is. And the dispatching, that is coming from this percentage here. You're doing a percentage of the gross. Now, if you got a contract, you're probably not even going to have your dispatching in there because you got it yourself. But if you did have dispatching, you can place that in there. Factoring, the factoring is going off of this 1.25 that I have in there, and that's based off of the invoices that you're going to put in. Your weekly overhead expenses, cost per mile. So this is what you're going to be paying per mile for to kind of cover the overhead of the operating costs of the truck. And then you got your maintenance account, how much money you're going to be putting in your maintenance account. Now you can go fill in a blank on things that may have happened during the week. Like let's say you spent you had to buy a tire. You want to get a tier 1 tire. You put that in there. How much did it cost you at the scale? I don't know, $50. But you see what I'm saying? Like you go ahead and put that in. And as you're doing that, it's kind of adding up what you're getting. Well, it already added up what you're getting, but it's going to take out what you're paying, and it's going to give you what your profit is going to be for the week. So let's say we go ahead and put like I don't know, maybe you did a load of potatoes. Yeah, they got me on the potatoes, charged me like $112. So, and you see it lowered the cost, and you only want to go off of depending on how you're paying your driver. So this right here, we're paying a driver by the mileage. So you're not doing by the mileage, but if you're doing a percentage, let's see, it's going to do this at 0. And we're going to do the percentage. It's like 20%. All right. So instead of looking at this one at the bottom, you're going to look at the percentage pay right here. Like percentage pay. All right. The driver's getting $1,000 and your week's profit is $974.42 after you're putting in $300 in your maintenance account. So technically you got more, but you're putting this in a maintenance account. You don't want to think about it. Just put it in a maintenance account. And the same thing for the weekly flat rate. So let's see, make this 0. All right, and let's say they're getting, I don't know, maybe give you guys $12.50 a week. I don't know. I'm not going to tell you how to pay your drivers. You figure that out. But the driver pay is there, and this is what your weekly profit is after you calculate all these expenses that came out. Maybe you did $50 in tolls. I know pre-pass, they automatically charge you like $25 even if you ain't going nowhere. So that's something to, think about that too. But that's exactly how that works. And if you have any questions, let me know.